Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is A/B testing of conversion rates. And specifically, the question that we're going to ask and answer is, does offering a 10% discount on a subscription plan lead to more conversions compared to a free trial option? And so that's to do with conversion rates. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a program in Python to answer this question. And before we write the program in Python, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to import 3 libraries. The first library we're going to import is NumPy SNP, which is Python's numeric library, and it also creates NumPy arrays. And then we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is a visualization library. And then we're going to import from scipy.stats, we're going to import chi2 contingency. So scipy is Python's scientific library, and stats is a statistical module within scipy, and chi2 contingency is the function that we're going to use to carry out this test. So after we have imported the libraries, what we want to do is we want to simulate the conversion data for A/B testing. So the first thing we're going to do in that regard is we're going to set the seed. The reason why we set the seed is so every time we run the program, the variables are initialized to the same values. So you set the seed by typing np.random.seed brackets 42. So we set the total users up as being 1,000. Now we're going to set up the group A, which is the free trial option. So group A users equals total users floor 2. So that's going to be 500. And group A conversions equals np.random.binomial group brackets group A users, comma 0.2. So basically it's going to be a 20% conversion rate for the free trial, but they're going to use a binomial distribution. A binomial distribution is when you have you can have 2 outcomes. You can have like yes or no, true or false, on or off, 1 or 0. That is what a binomial distribution is. And so now we're going to talk about the group P 10% discount option. Group B users equals total users floor 2, which is 500. Group B conversions equals np.random.binomial brackets group B users, comma 0.3. So that's a 30% conversion rate for a 10% discount. So what they're setting it up as a 10% discount has more conversions than a free trial option. So now we're going to create a contingency table for the chi-square test. So data equals NP array, and then the first row is group A conversions, comma, group A users minus group A conversions. And then the second row is group B conversions, comma, group B users minus group B conversions. So now we're going to perform the chi-square test. It's chi-square, comma, P, comma, underscore equals chi-square contingency data. And then we're going to print the results of that. So we're going to print A/B test. We're going to print the group A conversion, the group B conversion, the chi-square statistic, and the p-value. So the group A conversion is 19.20% when we set it up for 20%. The group B conversion is 30.40% when we set it up for 30%. The chi-square statistic is 16.220. The p-value is 0. And since the p-value is less than 0.05, that means that we have to reject the null hypothesis and go with the alternate hypothesis. So the result is the difference in conversion rates is statistically significant. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check the p-value in the code. If p is less than 0.05, which it is, you print result. The difference in conversion rates is statistically significant. Else, you print result, no statistically significant difference in the conversion rates. But there was a significant difference in the conversion rates, and we set it up so there would be a significant difference because the free trial had 20% and the 10% discount had 30%. So it was set up automatically to have a significant difference. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plot the results onto a graph, and it's going to be a bar chart. So labels equals converted, did not convert. Group A data equals Group A conversions, Group A users minus Group A conversions. Group B data equals Group B conversions, Group B users minus Group B conversions. X equals np.arrange brackets len labels, and so that's going to be 2 because you've got 2 labels, and width is 0.35. So now we plot our bar chart. plt.figure brackets fig size equals 6, 4. plt.bar brackets x minus width divided by 2, Group A data, width, label equals Group A free trial, color equals blue, alpha equals 0.7. And plt.bar brackets x plus width divided by 2, Group B data, width, label equals Group B discount, color equals orange, alpha equals 0.7. And then so now we add labels and annotations to the chart. The title is conversion rates, free trial versus 10% discount. The X label is outcome. The Y label is number of users. The X ticks is X, labels. You get a legend, and axis equals Y. The grid is axis equals Y, line style equals dash, alpha equals 0.7. Now we're going to type some code in to the chart, and what that does is that puts the values on top of the bars. We've got plt.type laid out and plt.show, and here is the chart that we've made, conversion rates, free trial versus 10% discount. So blue is the Group A free trial, and orange is Group B 10% discount. So blue has 96 converted, and 404 did not convert, totaling 500. And orange has 152 converted and 348 not converted, totaling 500 again. So basically, this particular test, they would choose to give people a 10% discount because more people chose to get a 10% discount than chose to get a free trial. So that concludes this particular video. In the next video, we will be covering another A/B test. So I do hope that you decide to watch it.